Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select the directories to include in the media library on the VLC application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the More button at the left side on the screen and go to the Settings option at the upper side of the page. In the Media Library section, you can find the first option, the Media Library folders. Select directories to include in the Media Library. And here you can select the internal memory or local network. And for example, if you want to the internal memory, just click to the square icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.